I'm Yasmin Taylor, Financial Director for Ultimate Youth Ballroom. I'd like to welcome all dancers to team and are so excited to get started next week. There are a few items we were hoping to discuss in a parent-dancer team Zoom meeting. However, with the holiday weekend, we felt it would be more appropriate to post this short video instead. First off, I'd like to give a reminder that if you have not submitted payment to reserve your dancer's spot on team, to please do so immediately. An email was sent out last week with all payment options, and if you have any questions regarding those options or need to make alternate arrangements, please reach out to me at ultimateyouthballroom@gmail.com. Second, we'll be covering team contracts. There was an email sent out with all team contracts as well as an updated team code of conduct. We do ask that all forms be reviewed, signed, and returned to us before your dancer is able to participate on team. I will be reaching out to parents individually over the weekend for any dancers who may be missing team documents or have incomplete documents. So if you don't hear from me over the weekend, that means your documents are in order and you're all set to go for team next week. Next, we'd like to cover COVID procedures for the first little bit and how team's going to look with those procedures. We do ask that all dancers enter through one set of doors at the beginning of team so that we may sanitize hands, check temperatures, log temperatures, and ask appropriate questions regarding exposure and symptoms, and have partners and dancers sign in for contact tracing purposes if needed. We also ask that at the end of team, dancers exit out of a different set of doors as well so that we may sanitize hands upon exit after team is over. We do also ask that all dancers provide their own masks, as masks will be required for the entirety of team practice. We do ask that all dancers bring their own masks, as coaches will not have any extra available to hand out. If dancers do arrive at team without a mask, they may be asked to sit out or may not be allowed to participate on team if there are no extra masks available. So if I could please reiterate to please have your dancers provide their own masks for team practice. We also ask that dancers bring their own water bottles as well, as this will minimize gathering in water fountain areas. We will be following all social distancing guidelines as mandated, and we're taking all COVID protocols very seriously. There were some specific questions and concerns that we had received from parents regarding social distancing and what team's going to look like kicking off with the COVID procedures and protocols in place. To address some of these more specific concerns and suggestions that we have received, I've asked Wade Taylor, who has been our legal counsel for getting this process started regarding COVID procedures, to give a short statement at the end of this video. Our dancers and coaches' utmost health and safety is a priority to us. So if you have any other questions after watching the end of this video or watching Wade's portion of the video, again, please reach out to us at ultimateyouthballroom@gmail.com. We hope you had a great Thanksgiving and are so excited to get rolling on team next week. We're really excited for a great year. Thanks so much.
Hello, my name is Wade Taylor. I'm legal counsel for Ultimate Youth Ballroom. I've been asked to speak today about the legal implications of ballroom dance in the coronavirus pandemic. Over the past 10 days, we've received numerous comments and suggestions regarding how to proceed with the ballroom season in light of the coronavirus. While many of the suggestions have already been adopted in the policies and procedures of Ultimate Youth Ballroom, some of the proposed suggestions cannot be used due to HIPAA law and other legal restrictions. A review of the COVID-19 safety release form that was provided to each parent and dancer sets forth those guidelines that will ensure a safe and successful season. Ultimate Youth Ballroom must follow the state and local restrictions related to COVID-19. Whether this is the mask mandate, social distancing, or other health guidelines, we will be implementing those requirements as are necessary to be able to continue to move forward in this ballroom season. Each party is required to follow these guidelines. This is a self-reporting system for the most part, and the requirements are outlined in that safety release form. We request that you review these and that you follow them strictly, as that will make sure that we can follow through all the way to the end of this ballroom season. By doing so, each of us will be able to be safe and successful this year. If you have any questions or concerns regarding the restrictions or any guidelines that Ultimate Youth Ballroom have put in place, please do not hesitate in contacting me via email at ultimateyouthballroom@gmail.com. Here's to a safe and successful ballroom season. Thank you.